Hello, my name is Megan Moore, and this is my arcade game emulator. I chose Duck Hunt, which is a 1984 light gun shooter video game developed and published by Nintendo for the Nintendo Entertainment System, NES for short, and it was first released in October 1985, where players use the Nest Zapper in combination with a CRT television to shoot the ducks that appear on the screen. Now you'll notice the ducks appear one or two at a time, sometimes three, and the player is given 3 shots to shoot them down. And the players receive points upon shooting each duck. Later in this video, you'll see me pan to both the bullets in the top left screen that show how many you have left, and your score on the upper right-hand screen. Duck Hunt features a nameless, non-playable hunting dog that's simply known as Dog, though people like to call it the laughing dog because as you play, the dog tends to laugh at you if you fail to shoot any of the ducks and miss. I did notice in between rounds a whole burst of ducks will appear, like such, and that was really difficult for me to shoot down as I am not a first-person shooter kind of girl. You can see the bullets in the top left here of the screen. I pointed out. There you go. I did think it was rather cute that the dog kind of sniffs the ground in the beginning, and the scenery is on point. Little grass and trees can be seen throughout the game. You can pause and also mute the screen as I scroll over here. You can play it in full screen, which I played. And in the bottom right, you see wave 5 out of 5, and there I pointed out the score. You can lose in this game, so you'll see me lose pretty soon here. And I just started over for the sake of commentary. I did find it interesting that the dog does pick up ducks off the ground for you. Yeah, here I lost and I played again. I would say this is similar to the Ultimate Duck Hunting game for the Nintendo Wii that I remember playing as a kid. It does not feature the same ducks, but the concept is pretty similar. You shoot them, and you also have a set amount of bullets in that game as well. Something interesting about this game is it helped to popularize light gun video games, though I also want to compare it to Call of Duty's Black Ops Zombies, because the concept is the same. You still have to shoot something, and you only have a set amount of bullets before you reload. As a 21st century gamer, I thought this game wasn't half bad, honestly. I enjoyed playing it, and it did keep me interested as you have more and more rounds pass.